Welcome! Right now, as you watch this, there's an incredible machine working inside your chest. It never takes a break, never stops, and pumps over 2,000 gallons of blood through your body every single day. Your heart is beating about once per second. Whether you're running upstairs, sleeping peacefully, or just sitting still, your heart adapts its rhythm perfectly to meet your body's needs. But how does this fist-sized muscle accomplish such an incredible feat of engineering? Your heart is about the size of your fist, weighing roughly 11 ounces. Despite its modest size, it's the hardest working muscle in your entire body, contracting over 100,000 times every day without you ever having to think about it. The heart has 4 chambers that work in perfect coordination. The 2 upper chambers, called atria, receive blood returning to the heart. The 2 lower chambers, called ventricles, are the powerful pumps that send blood throughout your body. Here's how it works. Used blood from your body, now depleted of oxygen and carrying waste, flows back into the right side of your heart. This oxygen-poor blood appears dark red or bluish in medical illustrations. When your heart relaxes, one-way valves open to let this used blood flow from the right atrium down into the right ventricle. These valves are crucial. They prevent blood from flowing backward when the heart contracts. The right ventricle then contracts powerfully, sending this blood through the pulmonary arteries to your lungs. In the lungs, the blood picks up fresh oxygen and releases carbon dioxide, transforming from dark red to bright red. This newly oxygenated blood returns to the left side of your heart through the pulmonary veins. The left atrium receives this oxygen-rich blood and prepares to send it on the most important journey of all. The left ventricle has the thickest, most muscular walls of all 4 chambers. This is your body's main pump, and it needs to be incredibly strong to push blood through thousands of miles of blood vessels throughout your entire body. When the left ventricle contracts, it forces oxygenated blood out through the aorta, your body's largest artery. From there, the blood branches into smaller and smaller vessels, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body. After delivering its oxygen payload, the blood travels back through your veins to the heart, and the whole cycle begins again. This complete journey through your body takes about 60 seconds on average, meaning your blood makes this trip over 1,400 times per day. The timing of this whole process depends on 4 one-way valves that open and close in perfect sequence. When working properly, these valves ensure blood always flows in the right direction through your heart's chambers. But here's where many people have a common misconception. They think the brain controls the heartbeat by sending signals down from above. Actually, your heart has its own built-in electrical system that generates the rhythm automatically. The real picture is that your heart contains its own pacemaker, called the sinoatrial node. This cluster of specialized cells generates electrical impulses that spread across the heart muscle, causing the coordinated contractions we call heartbeats. Your brain can influence your heart rate through the nervous system, speeding it up when you're stressed or slowing it down when you're relaxed. But even if all nerve connections were severed, your heart would keep beating on its own. This brings us to an amazing implication. Every single day, this self-contained biological pump moves about 2,000 gallons of blood through your circulatory system. That's enough to fill a small swimming pool, or about 13 bathtubs completely full. Over an average lifetime, your heart will beat approximately 3 billion times. Unlike other muscles that can rest and recover, your heart muscle works continuously from before you're born until your very last moment, never taking a single break. The heart muscle cells are packed with more energy-producing mitochondria than almost any other cells in your body. This gives your heart the incredible endurance it needs to maintain this non-stop performance for decades. Think about this the next time you feel your pulse. You're experiencing one of the most sophisticated biological machines ever created, a pump so reliable and efficient that it makes the best human engineering look primitive by comparison. Your heart is truly one of nature's greatest masterpieces, working tirelessly to keep you alive every second of every day. If this incredible biological engineering amazed you as much as it did us, give this video a like and subscribe for more fascinating science content.